Ready to clear up some space or tidy up your photo organization in OneDrive? In this quick and straightforward tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to delete an album from OneDrive using your web browser. By the end of this video, you'll know how to remove any unwanted albums, giving you a cleaner, more organized photo library with just a few clicks. Alright, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to OneDrive.com. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log in with your Microsoft account credentials. Take a moment to double-check that you're using the right account, especially if you have more than one. You definitely want to make sure you're editing the correct photo library before making any changes. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the OneDrive home page, surrounded by your files and folders. Now, over on the left side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Photos. It's usually represented by a little picture icon to make it easier to spot. Click on Photos, and your main window will refresh to show all the photos stored in your account. But since we're focusing on deleting an album, there's one more small step. Along the top, you'll see a row with different tabs. Find the one labeled Albums and click on it. This is where OneDrive has grouped your pictures into albums, either automatically or any albums you might have created yourself. As you browse through your albums, locate the one you'd like to delete. Maybe it's an old vacation album that you've already backed up elsewhere, a duplicate collection, or just something you no longer need. Once you've found the right album, hover your mouse over the album cover. Here, look out for a set of 3 small dots, sometimes called a More Options menu, or you might also see it by simply right-clicking on the album. This little menu is key because it holds a lot of album-specific options without cluttering up the screen. Go ahead and click the 3 dots and you'll see a list of actions you can take. Among them is the Delete Album option. Click that. Now, here's an important detail. OneDrive will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete this album. This step is here for your protection. After all, you wouldn't want to accidentally lose a collection of precious memories just because of a stray click. Read the confirmation message carefully, and if you're absolutely sure you want this album gone, choose Delete or Confirm. Keep in mind, deleting an album in OneDrive removes only the album itself. It doesn't delete the individual photos from your storage, just the way they're grouped together. Think of an album like a playlist on a music app. Deleting the playlist doesn't actually remove the songs, it just clears out that group. This is handy because you don't have to worry about erasing the images themselves unless you want to take that extra step, and that's all there is to it. Give it a few moments for the changes to update, and you're done. Your OneDrive photo albums should look a little more organized now. If you ran into any tricky spots, or if you have questions about managing your photos and albums, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. If you found this video useful, go ahead and give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching and happy organizing.